While optical and laser sensors dominate the modern mouse market, trackball mice remain a niche option with unique advantages. These devices offer precise control. The trackball allows for fine-tuned cursor movement, tactile feedback. Users can feel the ball's rotation, enhancing precision. Stationary use. Ideal for limited desk space or ergonomic setups. Reduced arm movement. Beneficial for those with mobility issues. Nostalgia factor. Appealing to tech enthusiasts and retro computing fans. There are many trackball mouse to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best trackball mouse from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. Logitech Ergo Wireless Trackball Mouse. The Logitech Ergo Wireless Trackball Mouse combines ergonomic comfort with precise control, making it an ideal choice for users seeking a more relaxed computing experience. Its sculpted design naturally fits your hand, reducing strain during extended use. The smooth thumb-operated trackball offers excellent cursor control on any surface, with adjustable speed via Logitech Options software. Perfect for tight workspaces and cluttered desks, this stationary mouse eliminates the need for traditional mouse movement. Connect effortlessly via Bluetooth or the included USB receiver, enjoying a reliable connection up to 33 feet away. Compatible with multiple operating systems, it offers versatility for various setups. The Ergo M575 also boasts eco-friendly credentials. Number 2. Nilia Wireless Trackball Mouse. The Nilia Wireless Trackball Mouse combines ergonomic comfort with versatile connectivity, offering a unique solution for users seeking precision and convenience. Its innovative design features a smooth thumb-controlled trackball, reducing wrist and arm movement to minimize muscle stress during extended use. The optimal angle ensures a natural hand position, promoting all-day comfort. With adjustable DPI settings, this trackball mouse delivers exceptional accuracy and control, allowing for increased productivity across various surfaces. Number 3. Perix Wireless Ergonomic Vertical Mouse. The Perix Wireless Ergonomic Vertical Mouse offers a blend of comfort, precision, and convenience for right-handed users seeking a more natural computing experience. Its unique vertical design promotes a relaxed hand posture, reducing strain during extended use. With 6 programmable buttons, this mouse enhances productivity while providing ergonomic benefits. The optical sensor ensures accurate navigation, complemented by adjustable DPI settings, 800, 1200, 1600, for personalized sensitivity control. Enjoy wireless freedom with a 2.4 GHz connection that provides a generous 10-meter range, perfect for various work environments. The included nano USB receiver can be conveniently stored within the mouse itself for easy transport. Power efficiency is a key feature, with an on-off switch and power-saving function to extend battery life. Number 4. Logitech Trackman Marble Trackball. The Logitech Trackman Marble Trackball offers a unique and comfortable computing experience for both left and right-handed users. Its ambidextrous design and stationary positioning allow for effortless cursor control without arm movement, reducing fatigue during extended use. Large, easily accessible back-forward buttons enhance navigation efficiency when browsing the web or switching between documents. This plug-and-play device requires no setup, connecting instantly via USB or PS2 port for immediate use. Users can customize button functions to suit their workflow, enabling quick application switching, browser window management, or full-screen video toggling. Built with Logitech's renowned quality, the Trackman Marble benefits from decades of mouse manufacturing expertise. Compatible with various Windows versions and Mac or later, this versatile trackball adapts to different operating systems and user preferences. Number 5. Kensington Orbit Trackball Mouse. The Kensington Orbit Trackball Mouse combines precision, comfort, and versatility in a unique pointing device. Its optical tracking technology ensures accurate cursor control with minimal hand movement, boosting productivity and reducing fatigue. The large 40mm blue trackball, featuring a perfectly spherical hard surface, provides exceptional tracking and control. A standout feature is the innovative scroll ring, allowing effortless vertical navigation through documents and web pages. The ambidextrous design accommodates both left and right-handed users, making it a versatile option for shared workspaces. Comfort is prioritized with a detachable wrist rest that promotes an ergonomic hand position during extended use. Customization is made easy with the free Kensington Work software, enabling users to assign various functions to the 2 buttons, and adjust cursor and little trackball adapts to different operating systems and user preferences. Number 5.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of it with our cool products, as it's going to make your life more easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great